In today's video, I'll show you on how you can update your Turtle Beach Stealth 700. So basically, the first thing that you want to do is to head over to support.turtlebeach.com/downloads. You can also search Turtle Beach Stealth 700 update. From there, it will present us with multiple websites. We have the Stealth 700 Xbox update, and we also have the PS software or firmware update. You simply want to head over to the third option, which is going to be downloads. It will take us to this page on which you have to select headsets and then search for the Stealth 700. After waiting for a couple of seconds, it will then show us multiple options to update our Stealth 700. In here, we have something like for Windows 10. And if you're using something like your PlayStation, you can also go ahead and download it from here. But you can just head over to this page and then download the software update from here. Once again, this is going to be their page. You can just search for the Stealth 700. From there, it will then take us to the update firmware download section. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.